Hi guys, today we talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your iPhone. So all you have to do in first, so you just click here on settings. Sorry, you click on settings, then it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do next, you just go down here, then you click here on focus. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just click here on do not disturb here. So then it's going to show for you like this. And here you add people here. And here can you add apps. So then here, if you want to choose here custom screens, and here add time, add here shuttle here. So then automatically it's going to add with you here. That's all. I wish you a great. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.